Hello everyone and welcome back to channel GDC Classes English. So how is your studying going on? Are you facing any kind of difficulties? Then you are free to comment down your questions in the comment section. I am waiting for your comments and I will definitely bring some solutions to your problems. Okay, now let's start our today's session, that is Daily Pharma Dose lecture number 15, equally important for every aspirant preparing for GPAT exam, NIPER exams, pharmacist exam as well as drug inspector examinations, right? So let's get with our first question. Says the process of increasing the solubility by addition of additives is called. This is the previous year question from NIPER JEE 2015 and 2019. In both the year the same question has came with the same topic, the process of increasing the solubility, okay, by addition of additives. First option says solubilization. What is solubilization? Increasing solubility by using surfactants, or we can say missiles, is known as solubilization. Clear? It uses soap or detergents to dissolve oil. Clear? Next we have a co-solvency. Increasing solvency, or we can say solubility, by using a mixture of solvents is known as co-solvency. Co-solvents are used to increase the solubility. Mixing water plus alcohol to dissolve a drug is known as co-solvency. Hydrotrophy is increasing solubility of a drug by adding another molecule, that is your hydrotrophic agents known as additives is known as hydrotrophy. Clear? So the question itself says by the addition of additives, and these additives are like, while we can say adding sodium benzoate to any drugs to increase its solubility, that is known as hydrotrophy. So correct answer will be option number C. And the last says complexation. Complexation is the increasing of solubility by forming a complex between a solute and another molecule is known as complexation. Like caffeine with sodium benzoate is known as complexation. Clear? Okay, the definitions which I am giving you, you can write down in a copy with using a pen. Obviously, ma'am, what are you saying? This is a common thing, we will use a pen only. So yes, definitely note down the definitions, because each and every options can give birth to a new question, right? This is a very true sentence. So never skip any option. Okay, the moral of the story is fine. The correct answer is hydrotrophy. Okay, now 𝙂𝙂𝙧♦ acid is used in limit test of iron, because see, this limit test is so much famous. In the few sessions earlier also we have gone with the limit test of lead. Okay, now we are going with the limit test of iron. So why 𝙂𝙂𝙧♦ acid is used? Option says it provides acidic medium. So no, 𝙂𝙂𝙧♦ acid is not used for increasing the acidity of a solution or to make the solution acidic. This is the wrong statement. It reduces ferric ion to ferrous ion. Definitely 𝙂𝙂𝙧♦ acid is used in the limit test of iron, and in turn it reduces the ferric ion form, that is Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus, the ferrous ion form. Clear? Okay, fine. The 𝙂𝙂𝙧♦ acid acts as an reducing agent. Okay, next we have, it gives purple color complex with iron. Whenever a 𝙂𝙂𝙧♦ acid is added in the iron solution, it gives a complex known as a purple colored complex, which represents the presence of an iron. Clear? So this is the correct answer. These both statements are correct, hence option number D will be the correct answer, saying both B and C. Okay, fine. See, all these explanations have been taken from either from pharmacist book or theory book, or from a NIPER fingertip book, or from GPAT fingertip book, or from DI fingertip book. So keep in mind each and everything, including your previous year tagging, is done in our fingertip series book. So if you are preparing for any examinations, each and every fingertip series combo is available in only in GDC classes app. Okay. Now the third question, red blood cells are also known as erythrocytes. All of you know this is the RBC. Platelets is known as the thrombocyte. This is known as thrombocyte. As well as the third option says leukocytes is your WBC, that is white blood cell. So the correct answer will be erythrocytes. Okay, fine. Now let's move on to the fourth question, that says xanthol is an alcohol containing volatile oil, belongs to which group? Okay, what is xanthol? Okay, xanthol is a type of sequesterpene. What is the sequesterpene that is found in the sandalwood oil? This is found in sandalwood oil, heavier and less volatile than monoterpenes, and sandalwood contains xanthol as an alcohol. Clear? So this will be the correct answer. Okay, rather than monoterpenes are found in our camphor as well as menthol. Clear? They are found in essential oils like mint as well as your eucalyptus. Next we have diterpenes. They are found in, examples are phytol and retinol. Triterpene, the examples are squalene. Clear? So correct answer will be sequesterpene. Okay, next question, which drug inhibits polymerization of microtubule? Okay, polymerization of microtubule means multiplication, right? Polymerization means it's the form of multiplication, that is a increase in numbers. Clear? So first drug we have paclitaxel. This is the main action of this drug is to stabilize the microtubules. Clear? The main function is for the stabilization of microtubules by preventing depolymerization. So yes, this has the effect on your microtubule. It is a type of anti-cancer drug. This is a anti-cancer drug and it shows the effect on microtubule. These three are the drug of TB, that is your tuberculosis, and your isoniazid work by inhibiting mycolic acid synthesis. Your rifampin work by inhibiting RNA polymerase enzyme. Your what is this? Ethionamide. Ethionamide work by inhibiting mycolic acid synthesis. So yes, option number A will be the correct answer. Fine. Okay. See, this is the picture from our prime modules. Clear? And you can see the tagging of the previous year questions. This question has also came in GPAT 2003. See how much tagging has been done. So how much these books are useful. This DI fingertip series is also launched from GDC classes app only. Okay. Now the sixth question, which enzyme is used for joining DNA strands? First is the ligase. Ligase, okay, lysis, lyase. These two words represents the breakdown of a bond, or we can say breaking of anything. But ligase means that joins the DNA fragments is the ligase. So correct answer will be ligase. But what is telomerase? What is telomerase? Telomerase, we can say it adds the telomere repeating units. Next we have the gyrase. They removes the supercoiling. All helicase. Helicase unwinds the DNA helix. So correct answer is option number A. Now the option number Question number 7. What does www means in internet? Simple question, that is World Wide Web. It we can say it connects all over the internet materials, internet resources. Okay. Now the 8th question. Each interior angle of regular polygon of 15 slides is, okay, we need to form the polygon of each slide. Okay, each side, this is the one side, this is another side. So likewise we need to find the interior angle of 15 sides. Okay, interior angle of regular polygon. So in a case of triangle polygon, we have the degree of 180 degree. Okay, so this is the basic angle, that is 180 degree. Now we need to find in case of each interior angle. So the formula will be n-2. Okay, you need to just memorize the formula, n-2 into 180 degree. Now from where this 180 degree came? From here, the basic angle between a normal triangle. Next we have n. So n stands for 15 sides. So 15 minus 2 into 180 upon 15. Clear? Now you need to calculate this. So let me have our calculator. Okay. So let's calculate this calculation. So what will come? Okay. First of all, we will calculate 15 minus 2. So that is easy. 15 minus 2 is your 13. So 13 into 180. So 180 into 13 is 2340. What is this? That is 2340 degree, and we have 15. Now we need to divide it. So let's divide it. Divided by 15. Okay, it comes 156 degree. So correct answer will be 156 degree. That means the option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's move with our 9th question, which says antibody containing preparations commonly known as. Okay, antibody. What is an antibody? Which is produced against an antigen. Foreign material is your antibody. So first option is antitoxins. What do you mean by antitoxins? Ready-made antibodies. These are known as the ready-made antibodies and represents the passive immunity. What is this? This is the passive immunity. Example is a tetanus injection. Next we have the vaccines. Vaccines are produced from the dead and weak germs. That means a live example. This is a type of active immunity. Okay. Example is polio vaccine. Next we have the toxoids. Toxoids are inactivated toxins. They are inactivated toxins. Also this is a type of active immunity, and the example is diphtheria toxoids. Next we have a polyvalent vaccines. What is polyvalent? This what it contains? It contains the multiple strains, and it is a type of active form. This is active immunity, and the example is OPV vaccine. Okay, so only in antitoxins the antibodies are used. What type of antibodies? Ready-made antibodies are used. So correct answer will be option number A. Clear? Okay. Just try to note down each and everything regarding each and every options what I am explaining to you. Okay. Now the 10th question. Heat transfer by conduction primarily occurs through. Okay. Heat transfer primarily occurs through movement of fluid particles, transfer of electromagnetic waves, direct contact between the molecules. Yes, this will be the correct answer. That is direct contact between the molecules. In case of convection conduction also, there is the direct contact between the metal. In rod to rod, also in the water to water, there is direct contact between the molecules. Clear? So this will be the correct answer. Okay. So these were the 10 important questions which will be very helpful for your different pharmacist examinations. And here in front of me I have AIM Drug Inspector book which contains your 40 previous year paper with 10 model papers. This is a fully colored book containing original previous year question, authenticated answer keys with validity original paper. So how you like the session? Comment me in the comment section. Ask me any doubt regarding anything, whether it is regarding your courses, regarding your books, regarding your any classes, regarding any teachers, whatever you want is I will give you the complete solution in the next session. All the very best and thank you for watching the session.